Hello students, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Now today I'm going to start from exercise 20, sum number 13. Okay, so that is the third video from this exercise 20. So here in sum number 13, from a point P on the ground. So suppose this is the point P on the ground, and the angle of elevation to the top of a building, and that is 10-meter height. So that is the building called A and B, and that is top of the building, and that is the 10-meter height. So B is the top of the building and P is the point on the ground, and a helicopter hovering over the top of the building. So suppose that is the position of the helicopter, and which is hovering on the top of the building. So the angle of elevation from the point P to B, that equal to 30, and the angle of elevation from P to H, that means the position of the helicopter, that equal to 60. So that equal to 30 degree and that equal to 60 degree. Okay, now find the height of the helicopter above the ground. That means first you have to find the value of BH. Whenever you find the value of BH, then you can add this height with this 10 meter, so you can find the total height of the helicopter from the ground. Now from this triangle here, the triangle ABP, from triangle ABP we get that AB, that means perpendicular, by base, that means AP, that equal to tan 30 degree. Now value of tan 30, that equal to 1 by root 3. So here AB equal to 10 meter and AP, that equal to 1 by root 3. So AP equal to 10 root 3. That means the base of the triangle equal to 10 root 3. Now for the whole triangle, that means triangle APH. From triangle APH, here PH is the height. So height or perpendicular by base, that means AP. So that equal to tan 60 degree. Now value of tan 60, that equal to root 3. So here PH means AB plus BH, and AP equal to 10 root 3. So write down here 10 root 3. So root 3. So here AB equal to 10, or we can also here AB equal to 10 plus BH, that equal to 10 root 3 into root 3, that equal to 30. So BH equal to 20. So as BH equal to 20, so the whole height equal to 30. So you can also find out the value of PH directly. Sorry, value of AH, that is AH, not PH. Sorry, and that is the value of AH. Value of AH is the height of the helicopter from the ground. So you can directly find the value of AH. Don't break it from AB and BH. So here AH equal to 30 meter. That is the final answer. Now the next, sum number 14. The sum number 14 is as same as sum number 13. Okay, in sum number 14, here is the first position of the aeroplane, and here H is the second position of the aeroplane, because the aeroplane moves vertically. Okay, the aeroplane moves vertically from that position to that position. So you can draw the same diagram in sum number 14, and you can solve the problem, so you can get the answer. Now sum number 15. In sum number 15, a man observed the angle of elevation of a top of a tower is 45 degree. So suppose here AB is the tower and BC is the ground level. So AB is the tower, BD is the ground level, and that is point D. Point D is the first position of the man. Okay, so from that place the angle of elevation, that equal to 45 degree. It's given. Now he walks towards it in a horizontal line through its base. That means the man walks towards the tower, and whenever he walk covering 20 meter. So suppose here point C is the second position of the man. So that is the first position, and the man walks towards the tower. So that is the second position, and that covering 20 meter. After covering 20 meter, the angle of elevation change from 45 degree to 60 degree. That means that angle equal to 60 degree. Now find the height of the tower, correct two significant figure. That means you have to find out the value of AB. Okay. So here from triangle ABC, AB means perpendicular by BC, that means base. So that equal to tan 60, and value of tan 60 equal to root 3. So we can write that AB equal to BC root 3. Now in the second triangle, that means ABD. So from triangle ABD, we get that AB, that is perpendicular by base. Here base equal to BD, and that equal to tan 45 degree. The value of tan 45, that equal to 1. So we can write that AB equal to BD. Now as BD equal to, as BC equal to BC plus CD. Now we know that here BC plus CD, that makes BD, and the value of CD equal to 20 degree. So you can write that BC plus 20. So here AB equal to BC plus 20. Now here AB equal to BC root 3. Okay, as AB equal to BC root 3, so here we can write BC equal to AB by root 3. Now in that place BC change into AB by root 3 plus 20 degree. Okay, so now AB minus AB by root 3, that equal to 20. So if AB will be common, then 1 minus 1 by root 3, that equal to 20. So AB into root 3 minus 1 by root 3, that equal to 20. Now AB equal to 20 into root 3 by root 3 minus 1. So now multiply root 3 plus 1 up and down. So here 20 into root 3 into root 3 plus 1, and denominator 3 minus 1, that becomes 2. So that equal to 20 into 3 plus root 3, 3 root 3 into root 3, that becomes 3. Now root 3 into 1, that becomes root 3. So value of root 3 equal to 1.732, and here 2, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 2 into 10. So finally 10 into 4.732. So final answer 47.32 approximate. Now sum number 16, in sum number 16, that is the same kind of problem as same as it is from sum number 15. Okay, so in sum number 15, that is the first position of the man and he walks towards the tower. But in sum number 16, here the shadow of the vertical tower on the level ground increases by 10 meter. So that means if the shadow, if the first position of the shadow, that is BC, then it increases. So the second position of the shadow is now BD and increases by 10 meters. So that 20 will be converted into 10 meter. And the angle of elevation will be changed from the first angle of elevation is 45 degree and the second one is 30 degree. So the same diagram, that is 45 degree, that is 30 degree, and that point that length equal to 10 meter. Now you can solve this problem by as same as 15 method. Now sum number 17. In sum number 17, from the top of a hill, so suppose that is the hill, that is AB. So here AB is the hill. From the top of the hill, the angle of depression of two consecutive kilometer stones. So that is the first stone and that is the second stone. That is two consecutive kilometer stone. So that consecutive means one after. So that is, if it is kilometer stone, so that means the distance between two consecutive stone, that equal to 1 kilometer. Now the angle of depression are found to be 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. So the angle of depression from the first stone from the top of the hill, and the angle of depression to the second stone from the top of the hill. So for the first stone, the angle of depression equal to 30 degree, and for the second stone, the angle of depression equal to 45 degree. So 30 degree and second stone, sorry, that is 45 degree. Okay, so So here the angle of depression, that is 30 degree, sorry, the small one equal to 30 degree. So that equal to 30 degree, the small angle, and the greater angle, that is 45 degree. So as this line is parallel to BD, so that means this angle is alternative to this one, and this small angle is alternative to this angle is alternative to this one, and this small angle alternative to this one. So if that the greater angle, which is 45 degree, and 45 degree, that is the alternative angle of this one, so you can write here 45 degree, and this one, the small angle, this small angle is the alternative angle of this one, so write down here 30 degree. Okay, now clear? Now so as 1 kilometer means 1000 meter, all of you know that. So now we can solve this problem. So from from triangle ABC, so here ABC is a triangle, and which is a right angle triangle. From triangle ABC, AB by BC, that means perpendicular by base, that equal to 1045. Now value of 1045 equal to 1, so we can write that AB equal to BC. Now for the second one, that means triangle ABD. Now for triangle ABD, AB by BD, so here AB by BD perpendicular by base, that equal to 1030 degree. Now value of 1030, that equal to 1 by root 3, and here AB by BD. Now BD means BC plus CD, so BC plus CD equal to 1 by root 3. So here AB equal to BC plus CD by root 3. Now here BC means AB again, so you can write that AB plus, now CD, value of CD equal to 1000 meter, so write down here 1000 meter divided by 3. So here AB equal to, now AB by root 3 plus 1000 by root 3. So AB minus AB by root 3, that equal to 1000 by root 3. So finally here AB into 1 minus, sorry, root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 by root 3, that equal to 1000 by root 3. Now root 3 will be cancelled out. So finally AB equal to 1000 by root 3 minus 1. Now as 1000 by root 3 minus 1, so we have multiply root 3 plus 1 from up and down, and then you will get 1000 into root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1, that becomes 2. So that means 500. Now 2 will be cancelled out with 1000, and you will get 500. Okay, you will get 500. So 500 into 1.732 plus 1, that means 500 into 2.732, so approximately 1365 meter is the, sorry, that is not the answer, that is the value of AB. So as AB is the height of the hill, so now we have to find out the distance of two stones from the foot of the hill. So as AB equal to BC, we know that means value of BC equal to 1365 meter. So that is the distance of the first stone from the hill. Now you have to find out the second distance of second stone from the hill, that equal to BD. Now from BD equal to 1365 plus 1000, to get that the value of BD, that equal to 2365. So that is the answer of this problem. So that is the distance of the first stone from the hill, and that is the distance of the second stone from the hill. Number 18 are as same as sum number 15. In sum number 18, a man observes an angle of elevation of the top of the building to 30 degree, and he walks towards the horizontal line. So that means this angle equal to 30 degree, and that is the first position of the man. And whenever the man walk towards the horizontal line, and he covering 60 meter, so that 20 meter will be changed into 60 meter, and that angle will be, the next angle will be 60 degree. So that is 30 degree, and that is 60 degree, and that one equal to 60 meter. Now we can solve this problem as same as sum number 15. So please subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon so you can get the notification whenever we upload the new video from this exercise and the other.